Oh, hello there. I'm Dominic and this is my bike check. I got the Verde Regent frame, the Colt D-Heart grips. They aren't the best. And I got the Primo Sam Squatch bars. I love them because they last forever and they match my tapered frame. I got the Fit Aiken stem. It was the first model with the Mongoose head cap. It's baller. I got the Colt headset. It's pretty nice. It's been smooth. I got the Fit fork. They suck. It's a stock fork. They bend really easily. Don't get it. Just don't buy Fit. I got the Kendrick contact tires, front and back, 2.25. They're really nice and cheap. They're 12 bucks. Thank you, Albies and King's Ride Shop. I got the Haro Sugar front wheel, decent for its money. I got the Butcher Pigs. They suck. Then I got a stolen Thermalite pig with Colt pedals. I got Salt Plus cranks. It's been nice. I got the Demolition Market fat seat. Oh my god, it's so tight. I got the Colt Member Sprocket V1. I don't know. I don't care for it. It's loose. I got the Animal RS back rim with Animal Javelin hub. Listen to this beauty.
Ow.
I got the what else do I got?
Your sick valve caps.
I got my sick bullet valve cap and my Mustang valve cap. And I got lightweight tubes